Lime CRM is a user-friendly and customizable platform designed to help businesses manage customers' relationships more effectively. Whether you're tracking sales, handling support cases, or organizing marketing efforts, Lime CRM brings all your customer data into one place. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features and how to use them to improve your customer interactions in 2025. So the first key features of Lime CRM is its customizable CRM dashboard. Lime CRM lets you tailor the interface to match your business needs. You can adjust fields, views, and modules to create a workspace that fits your workflow. This helps users focus only on what matters, making the system easier to navigate and increasing productivity. Another key feature is the 360 customer overview. Each customer profile gives you access to all related communications, sales activities, documents, and support cases in one place. This ensures your team has full context for every interaction, leading to more personalized and effective service. Another key feature is the sales pipeline management. So you can visualize and manage your sales pipeline with drag and drop tools, track deals by stage, and assign tasks to keep momentum going. This helps you close more deals by staying organized and focused on high priority opportunities. Another key feature is the integrated case management. Handle support tickets directly in Lime CRM. Assign, track, and resolve customer issues while keeping a record of past interactions. This enhances customer satisfaction with faster, more consistent support. Another key feature is the seamless integrations. Lime CRM connects with tools like Outlook, SharePoint, and ERP systems for smoother operations and better data flow. This reduces manual work and ensures your entire business is aligned and up to date. So why is Lime CRM a great choice? Lime CRM is ideal for small to mid-sized teams that want a flexible system without unnecessary complexity. It's easy to adapt to different industries, and its modern interface ensures high adoption across teams. Frequent updates and strong vendor support make it a reliable long-term solution for CRM needs. So basically, Lime CRM helps you take control of your customer data, improve team collaboration, and drive better results. So if you're looking for a streamlined, adaptable CRM in 2025, Lime is well worth considering. With the right setup, it can become a central part of your customer success strategy. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.